In front of me is XIAOMI 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this device. First of all, you need to access your keyboard. If you can't see microphone icon at the top right corner of it, tap on this gear one. Then click on voice typing and tap on this gray sweater next to it in order to activate it. When you're ready, go back. Now tap on microphone icon, select while using the app in the pop-up, and now you can tap on it to start your message. When you want to end it, click on the same one. As you can see, my message was successfully created thanks to voice typing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!